Let's talk about building a culture around reliability. Now, I'm famous in my teams for telling them the currency of management is attention. What you pay attention to is what your reports are going to pay attention to. And so improving operational excellence starts with your culture. At AWS, there's this weekly operations meeting, a couple of hours long, and it's led by all of the leadership at engineering. So at my time, Charlie Bell, who ran engineering, would be there. The head of infrastructure would be there. All the heads of the various services, as well as all of the experts who knew reliability best. And we'd review the prior week's outages and campaigns we were running and all that kind of stuff. So it just fundamentally shows that it was important to the company, right? Because people were spending time on it. And other things we did is operational excellence was part of the promo review process, evaluating whether an engineer or a manager really did things well or had improved it. Now, what I find at most companies is that they're trying to solve their operational challenges by assigning a specific team to the task or assigning a reliability czar or something like that. That just removes ownership and accountability from everybody else. Now, one of the few advantages of being an old guy is that I've seen this story play out before. So for example, I remember back when there was a quality czar or a security czar. And you know what? Those initiatives failed. And they failed because what they were fundamentally saying is that this is not important enough to be part of everybody's job. So the way we got those things to succeed is by making it, some part of, let's say in quality, by ensuring that every single person, put in a unit test as part of a code check-in. It was part of the code review process. It went into an automated test suite. And, we really need to do the same thing for reliability. Now, obviously no one wants to do on-call. So you can toss the problem to some second-tier team, even if you don't call them a second-tier team, or you can make it part of everybody's job. Now, I know which one is actually going to improve reliability. So that doesn't mean you don't have specialists who have expertise. There are people who are extraordinarily good at security or at quality. You need those guys. You also need it for reliability, but it isn't some other team's job to keep your service up, just like it's not some other team's job to fix your bugs or to make sure that your system is, doesn't have vulnerabilities. We all have to own it.